Annyeonghaseyo, Chademin, Deshaun Duffy Dow. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today, we will be unboxing my Allure beauty box for August 2018. As usual, I will leave all the information down below about Allure beauty box. Let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, I actually forgot that this was coming. Because I don't get tracking numbers for this box right here. It just comes. It just shows up when it shows up. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we got. First and foremost, we have, this is what the color looks like. The cover looks like. It's got a gorgeous girl on the front with some gorgeous curly hair. I want her hair. I want her hair. It's nice and curly. On the back, it says refer a friend at Allure. And then on the inside, we have, you know, your letter from the Deputy Beauty Director right here. And then it tells you some things that are in here. Let me pull this back a little bit. Some things that are in here, as you can see there, that are in the box for this month. So I'll be referring to this because I believe their prices are in here. Excuse me. Let's take a look. All right. I have $30 off my next order from Brita Watch. All right. So I got this card here from Brita Watch. $30 off. I could use a new timepiece. I don't wear watches like I used to. I have an expensive watch that I got years ago. I still have it, that I got when I was on a cruise. But I need to take it to a special jeweler to get the battery replaced, because it's one of those timepieces that's expensive, and a regular jeweler, I need to go to an actual jeweler, because a regular Joe Schmo, like at the jewelry counter at Walmart, they won't touch it. So I need to go to an expensive jeweler to get that fixed. Hi, my dog is here. Romeo's saying hi. He thinks this box is for him, but he's had his boxes already for the month. All right, let's continue on. This is from Ico. This is a liquid eyeliner in black. It is precise and smudge proof. The color is pitch black. This is what it looks like. I'm going to keep this sealed. Is it sealed? It's not sealed. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a felt tip. Looks like a pen. I like eyeliners that look like this. This came just in time, because the eyeliner that I'm using, this is a skinny eyeliner, by the way. The eyeliner that I'm currently using is one that you have to sharpen, and I'm like at the nub when I'm doing my makeup. So this came at the right time. Next thing I have, what are you? This is from Claw. Wait, by the way, hold on. Let me just tell you the price. I forgot. The skinny liquid eyeliner is worth $22. You can get that at Ulta.com. This is from Claudalie. I can't pronounce this. I always get this mixed up. But this is a moisturizing. This is a cream sorbet. I think it's a moisturizer. Let me stop talking and just put it up there. And it is a moisturizer. The full size is worth $39. There's the other side there. Is it sealed? It probably is. It's not. It smells pretty good though. But I think this is a moisturizer. I'm just trying to squeeze a tad bit. Yep. It's a moisturizer. So this is really, really, really nice. Glad to have this. And it smells good. It's like a lotion, it says here. So yeah, nice. Next thing I got, moving on. This right here. This is from, let's see. This is a sleeping mask from Laneige. It's a lip sleeping mask. Now I've gotten sleeping masks for like your face, but this is one for your lips, and this is $20. This is what the packaging looks like. I probably butchered that name, and I apologize for it. And here is what the other side looks like there. And let's see here. It is an overnight lip treatment, and you get a nice little sample of it. It looks like this here. See that? Oh, there you go. Nice little sample of it. Let's see if it smells like anything. It looks like a lip balm, y'all. And it smells fruity. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Can you see that? Barely. It looks like a lip balm. Yeah, so this is nice. I can't wait to try this. because it says it's perfect for daytime, so you can wear it during the day if you want to, as like a lip balm, it says here. But yeah, this is nice. Glad to get that, and it's unique, and I've never tried anything like that. That's what I like about Allure Beauty Box. We get products that are so unique like that. All right, let's go ahead and continue. What else we got in here? This is from Allure Cosmetics. I'm familiar with this brand. This is a light stick. This is illuminator in baton. This is a cruelty-free and paraben-free. It has to be a highlighter. That's what the packaging looks like right there from Allure Cosmetics. Here's the other side there. And are you, let's see, my friend, you are worth $24. And you are a light stick. And the color that I have, it says it's in Halo. Yep, the color's Halo. There's right there. I love Halo. Halo is such a good game. I'm a gamer, you guys. And I'm not sure if you play Halo or not. But I love me some Halo. If I'm not playing Call of Duty, I'm playing Halo. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Ooh, that's a lot of product. Doesn't smell like anything. But that's a lot of product. You see how much we get? That's a lot. And that's the color right there. It's like a gold frosty champagne color. This is nice though. I love highlighting. So I'm glad to get the highlighting stick. Definitely put this to use, and it's travel friendly as well. Then there's two more things that I got. This is from Nexus, and this is a damage healing conditioner, and the conditioner is worth $17.99 for a full ounce, 13.5 ounce. That's the Nexus conditioner. I'll be using this definitely. The repair level is 5. It's for extremely damaged hair. I don't know if my hair is damaged, but it's definitely coarse. There's the other side. And we have, this is 3 ounces. So this is a nice size. This is a nice travel size. And it's wash day for me this weekend. So I'm going to be washing my hair with this. Also got the matching shampoo as well. This is what the shampoo looks like, you guys. Can y'all see that right there? And there's the other side of it right there. So yeah, this is for severely damaged hair. And yeah, so I'm definitely going to use this. And by the way, the shampoo is also worth $12.99 for 13 ounces. So I'm happy to get this. I'll be using this weekend. Oh, it smells pretty good too. And to see how this works for my hair. I forget the last shampoo and conditioner that we got. Yeah, that smells good. Can't remember the last shampoo that we got, but whatever it was, it worked really well for my hair. I use it all the time. Alright friends, that's everything in my Allure Beauty Box. Let's go ahead and recap. So I got from Nexus the damage healing shampoo and conditioner. I'm glad that I got 2, a pair of these that I could use. I'm going to put that to use this weekend actually. And then I got this right here from Allure Cosmetics, the light stick in Halo. Yep, this on the other side too, Halo. Very happy to get this. Can't wait to start using that. From Claudelie. This is the Cream Sorbet Moisturizer right here. There you go. And then I got this from Laneige. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Laneige. This is the lip sleeping mask right there. And then last but not least from Ico, I got the Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. Alright my friends, that is everything in my Allure Beauty Box for August 2018. Do you get Allure Beauty Box? If you do, let me know what you get in it, alright? Let me know if you're using these products before. I want to thank you all for watching this video. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I am on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and when I get there will be a giveaway, and I'll let you know what that is when I reach that threshold. But for now, you guys have an amazing weekend. I will talk to you next time, and bye-bye. Have a fantastic day. 넌 나고